Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an AI comic couple video in CapCut. It's the easiest way to jump on the latest TikTok or Reels trend, creating stunning animated comic book scenes of you and your partner in minutes. So if you have no drawing skills, no problem, because CapCut's free AI tools do all the work. So this is how it will look like, the comic video. Now you can just start by opening the CapCut applications on your mobile. So once you're in CapCut here, you can just head into the template menu, and as you guys can see now, the comic video or AI comic is now trending on CapCut and also TikTok. So you can just hit on a search at the top and search this keyword, couple comic. Okay, as you guys can see, there are lots of options that you can choose from this one, but I'm going to just use this the first to show up in here. You can just click on use AI template, then upload the photo of you and your partner or maybe your favorite characters. Now CapCut will applying the AI effects. You need to stay on the screen and the application will be completed in 10 seconds, so it's not long, but you can always click on minimize to if you want to work on some other projects. Okay, it will be done within seconds. Okay, so the AI effect has been applied and this is the result for my couple comic video with the photo that I just uploaded. So if you're satisfied with the result, you can just hit on export, then you can share it with your friends in TikTok, Reels, or other social platform. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.